without the incredible from led first and foremost by Chris Schultz, who's been my wonderful co-host over the last 2 years, the 3 events that we've run here. So I'd love you to put your hands together and raise the roof for Chris Schultz.
Thank you, Paddy. It's been a wonderful week having you here and a wonderful 3 years having Collision in New Orleans. I want to thank the Web Summit team, Paddy, everybody for a wonderful 3 years. It's a team effort, so I'd like to bring out the New Orleans Host Committee. There's a number of people who have been working very hard to make this conference work here in New Orleans. Will you please join me on stage, the New Orleans Host Committee, and I'd like to introduce Michael Hecht, President and CEO of G&O Inc.
Great. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, everybody. It's so sad. I can't believe it's over. Over the past 3 years, New Orleans has become the fastest growing technology market in all of America. At the same time, over the past 3 years, Collision has become the fastest growing tech conference in all of America, all of North America. Coincidence? I think not. And so I really just want to say thank you to the Web Summit team, to Paddy for all that they have done to give us this gift of Collision, an incredible platform to speak to all of you. And I want to thank all of you for being here, for what you did over the past 3 days. Even if you don't remember it, it was spectacular. We hope you had a wonderful time here in New Orleans. We're celebrating our first 300 years now. We hope you come back many, many times over the next 300 years. Thank you, Collision. Thank you, all of you. Goodbye. Thank you.
Let's take a quick look at our week in New Orleans with a video. Thank you, New Orleans. Well, saying goodbye is always tough, and as you know or may not know, we have a tradition here in New Orleans when we say goodbye during funerals, and that tradition is a second line. So we're going to say goodbye to Collision and send you off the way we do any good New Orleanian. Let's strike up the band. Let's go get them. We're going to second line on out of here.